This is the third kitchen we've done in our lifetime, and you learn a lot.
Our renovation was desperate. It was the original kitchen from, I believe, early 90s.
I've been working with wood since 7th grade shop class, and I know that you have to have good materials to start off.
You know, it's a little bit difficult to work with me. I know what I want. I know my finishes.
The designer was fabulous, and when they say 10 days to order your kitchen, it was exactly 10 days. Well, this is our retirement kitchen. We wanted to make it functional, and we wanted to be able to cook, we wanted to be able to entertain.
I don't cook. My husband does the cooking. He's a fabulous cook.
I'm the cook. She loves it, I'm the cook.
And hence why we did a new kitchen. He deserves it.
I have to have things at my fingertips. I have to have a place where I can find them so I can move when I'm in the kitchen. You won't find better hinges. You won't find a better finish. The finish wipes off like nothing. When I cook spaghetti and it goes up there, I'm not afraid to grab a cloth and wipe it right off.
I knew what to expect as far as a renovation goes. This was easy.
This may be our last kitchen, but if it's not, we're gonna call CL no matter where we're at.
CL Kitchens. CL Kitchens.